MORO Manufacturing can construct and offer our production system in our company. System configuration is consisted of rolling equipment, cutting program, cutting machine, handling robot, and feeder equipment. Next, explaining each devices. This feeder unit is made exclusively by our designs. Moreover, it can combine with handling device and feeder equipment that commercially available. We are good at designing a section of a robot hand. Our staff can accommodate maker program, teaching, and interlocking with other devices. Making jig is our field of expertise. Precision hydraulic jig is a lot of repeated result from major companies. We have a lot of results in cutting system. We can make a proposal making jig and cutting system. The finishing product arrayed by robot program. It can combine with washing and checking devices. This time, the system is clearly simple. Carrying works and put in the box. We make a promise to obtain stable action. MORO Manufacturing give a challenge to various fields and extensive contents. Please keep in expect for our evolution. Don't worry about it. We'll handle to make your order new automatic system.